Group सावधान, group विश्राम, group सावधान, group आगे बढ़. Group पीछे बढ़.
Enjoy their performance. That to me is more important, because the moment they start enjoying what they are doing, the audience will start enjoying what they are doing, right? It's always not the highest form of art that becomes the most popular one, right? Whether it be cinemas, whether it be dance or music or any art form for that matter. The most popular art form is the one that invites more participation from the audience. And how does one invite more participation from the audience? By being that exuberant self who's immersing himself or herself in the art form on the days or on the stage. And once you start doing that, the energy very naturally starts spreading around. And that's how you invite the audience into your art form. And I'm sure all of us who are here, who were participating in some form or the other. Not just here, right from the moment I stepped into the campus, there is a very beautiful welcome song. There is a very beautiful numeracy dance. And we often talk about foot tapping numbers, right? When we talk about songs or when we talk about dance. Unknowingly or unintentionally, we all start tapping our foot or we start clapping our hands or we start shaking our heads, or there is some bodily movement that would represent our intention to participate in that art. And that is how infectious the energy of the artist is usually. And that is how we invite our audience to participate in our performance. Now, this is not something that is limited to art form in my experience and in my learning. This is something that is probably applicable to studies or even to administration or leadership, if I may stretch it a little bit more. Let's talk about studies first, because we are sitting in the school, right? And we're also talking about blended education. We're talking about literacy and numeracy, etc. in this one-week workshop. Teaching as a form of attracting students into a fold of subject or into a discipline has evolved over several years. Right from our Gurukula system, where the prime
Madam, very respected user, enjoyed principles of worship, beloved teachers, and all the participating teachers from different schools of Pathanamthitta, and dear parents. First and foremost, let me congratulate the staff members of Area 2 for taking the initiative to conduct this program.
To host district level G20 workshop to create awareness about India's G20 presidency, NEP 2020 and fundamental literacy and numeracy. India assumed the G20 presidency on the 1st December 2022 from Indonesia and will be till 30th November 2023.
वरदे श्री सरस्वती नमोस्तुते वरदे श्री सरस्वती नमोस्तुते वरदे वरदे पति गौरी पति गुरु गुहविनुते विधियुवते श्री सरस्वती नमोस्तुते पति गौरी पति गुरु गुहविनुते विधियुवते श्री सरस्वती नमोस्तुते.
Honorable Collector in absentia and all other distinguished guests and dear parents, it is my proud privilege to extend a vote of thanks to all of you. It's a formal thanks, and with that just I am concluding, not extending my words, because from the morning onwards you are waiting for something to happen, and from the school side I can say that the day won't be a waste for you.